Do you want to know what the secret is to landing local businesses as copywriting clients? It's actually quite simple. So if you're a copywriter and you want to land your first client or next client and do it fast, the best way to go after like local businesses like brick and mortar, like all those guys out there, is actually don't call yourself a copywriter. Just don't say, hey, I'm a copywriter. Do you need copy? They'll have literally no idea what you're talking about. So instead, approach them as a digital marketer, approach them as an online marketer. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna walk into the door of the business. You're gonna say, specifically right now for like Christmas time, this is the angle you're gonna use. This is gonna get you clients faster than anything else. Hey, Mr. Business Owner, hey, so-and-so, hey, are you guys running a Christmas promotion or a holiday promotion right now? And then ask what they say. Oh no, we don't have one. Probably they don't have one. Then what you're gonna do is say, oh, okay, like who's the owner here? Who does the marketing? And if it's the owner you're talking to, they'll say, I do, I'm the owner. Or they'll say, oh, I'll grab the owner, right? Then, because they don't know if you're a customer or what's going on, or hey, do you guys have a Christmas promotion? Then you're gonna get the owner's attention. Now you're at the gatekeeper. You got rid of the gatekeeper, now you're talking to the owner or the marketer, whoever's in charge. Then you're gonna say, hey, what are you guys doing for Black Friday or for holidays and Christmas? If Black Friday's passed, what are you guys doing for holiday and Christmas promotion? Oh, we don't have one. If they say we don't have one, hey, that's totally fair. I totally understand that. Are you guys planning on doing one, or what are you guys doing? Oh, we're not too sure. Okay, well, you should do one because, I'm a marketer. I do marketing, and this is the best time of year to go promote your services. Like, people are in a buying mode right now. Like, if you don't put up a marketing campaign for Black Friday or for Christmas and holidays, then your competitors are gonna get all the customers and make all the money. Oh, okay, yeah. So like if that's something that you need help with, like that's something I could set up for you, like right now, and then pull out your phone in real time. Like do 2 minutes of prep before you, at least 2 minutes of prep before you walk in the door. Yeah, because right now, your competitor, Joe Bob's Shoe, let's say you're talking to a shoe store owner, Joe Bob's Shoes across the street, pull up your phone and say, look at his social media right now. He's promoting a Christmas sale that comes out next week on his socials, on his website. He's got ads and emails. And also, Sally Shoes down the street too, your other competitor, she's doing the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. But I noticed on your socials, on your emails, on your ads, on your website, I don't see anything about it. So if you don't do anything, you're gonna miss out on revenue. And that is how you get your foot in the door, is you just start showing, hey, it's Christmas time right now. You should be doing this. Why? Because lots of people are in a buying mode. Why really do I need to? Because all your competitors are doing it, but you're not. Now you introduce a problem, and then you fill in the gap as a solution. Yeah, so right now on your website, you're doing this, but really you should be doing this. Your socials, you posted 5 days ago, but you should be posting every single day and promoting an upcoming sale. Like your emails, you're not really sending many emails. So this. Your ads, and your SEO, you just go in and just tell them, they just want a game plan. So give them a game plan, tell them what to do, say this is your Christmas holiday strategy. And by the way, would you like some help with this? I help local businesses in your area just like you set up their marketing to get more foot traffic in the store to capture revenue for Q4 for the holidays. Is that something you'd be interested in? Yeah, okay, cool. How about we set up a quick 20-minute meeting tomorrow, same time, I'll meet you back here. Sound good? Sound good. Boom. That's how you do it. That's how you close local businesses as a copywriter during this time, during Q4, during the Christmas season. You do it like that. I guarantee you that's gonna get you clients, local businesses, faster than anything. And you can use the same approach online too, approach it with the Christmas angle, say, hey, what's up? Hey, it's Christmas time, or what are you guys doing for this? Online, right? In the DMs, hey, I didn't notice there's a wait list for a Christmas promotion. I didn't notice that you have anything on any of your social ads. Notice how I'm saying, look, you have to be able to say you looked at the stuff. Don't just go in and say, hey bro, could I write your copy? Hey, do you need an email copywriter? This stuff doesn't work anymore. You can't newbies do that. Don't be a newbie, be an expert. It doesn't matter if you've been doing this for 2-3 weeks or 2-3 years. Approach them as an expert with a plan. Business owners just want to be given a roadmap and told what to do, and then logically explain why, right? Do that, and you are going to get paid this Q4. You're going to get paid this December. And if you want even more help with that, I got a Black Friday deal on right now. If you want help learning how to write copy, land clients, it's the biggest discount of the year. Check it out at the link below.